In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a PDF in Foxit. Whether you're adjusting text, adding objects, or inserting media, Foxit offers a versatile range of tools to make your document changes straightforward and efficient. Let's dive in. First, open up your internet browser and navigate to the Foxit PDF online by heading over to phantompdf.foxit.com. This will bring you to the home page where you can begin the editing process. From here, click on Open File. This button is typically easy to spot and allows you to access the file picker. Once you're in the file picker, you'll want to click on Choose Files. This action opens a dialog box where you can select the PDF that you wish to edit. After making your selection, give it a moment to upload. Once the document is ready, you'll notice various editing options available within the interface. To make changes to the text within your PDF, click on the Edit option. Here, you can press the Edit Text button, which allows you to modify any existing text within the document. Simply click on the text field you want to change and type in your new content. If your needs go beyond simple text modifications and include rearranging objects, Foxit has you covered. You can select the Edit Object button to manipulate objects within the PDF. This function lets you move items around, resize them, or even adjust their placement on the page. Foxit also includes a robust search and replace feature. To utilize this, click on Search and Replace, then type in the phrase you wish to change. This function will search your entire document and replace every instance with your specified text. It's an excellent tool for making consistent edits throughout large documents. Sometimes you may want to add new content entirely. In Foxit, this is a breeze. You can click anywhere on the page to add new text wherever necessary. Similarly, if you're looking to enhance your document's visual appeal or provide additional emphasis, you can add shapes. Whether it's a circle, square, or another shape, simply choose from the options and place it into the document. Moreover, if you want to enrich your document with more dynamic content, Foxit allows you to add links, images, and even videos. Combining these elements can provide readers with instant access to external resources or add a multimedia dimension to your document. With all these powerful options at your disposal, editing PDFs in Foxit becomes not only a possibility but a convenient and productive task. Explore these tools and take your document editing skills to the next level. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.